Hi everybody, this is Gufu 3D printer. Today I would like to introduce you to one of our popular products, Nova. It's bigger than the Mini Plus in the previous video, and its build volume is 280 by 280 by 300 mm. 3.5 inches touchscreen interface, intuitive well-organized navigation menu, dual Z motors ensure stable and precise movement control, getting perfect accuracy. Patented modular extruder. The user can easily remove and extrude for cleaning and maintenance. Filament runout sensor automatically pushes when filament is depleted. The motherboard automatically saves memory. Replace the filament to continue to print. Now we set the speed to 100 mm per second, a speed that few prints on the market can achieve. I'm sure there are many people who have such a question. What can 3D printer print? In my opinion, it can be used in every place of life, can bring us convenience. When you stay at home and watch TV all day, do your arms get sore? At this point, you need a lazy phone holder to solve this problem, which is what we print today. Patented flexible magnetic build mat, easy remove of finished prints, no any tools need. Our printer can not only print at 100 mm per second high speed, but also can keep the printing product perfect accuracy, greatly saving time. Okay, now let's start the assembly. Please remember the number below. First, we put all part number 4 into part number 3. Then put the rubber band through part number 9 and tail it. Then put part number 10 into part number 9 and secure them with the rubber band. Next, take number 6 and 11 and put them together with part number 3, 4, and 5. Then assemble part number 7 and number 8 with them in the same way. Next, assemble the two parts together. Then pass part number 1 through part number 6 and put part number 2 on top of part number 1. So our lazy phone holder is ready and you can put it anywhere you want. Isn't it convenient? Free our hands. That's all for today's sharing. If you have any interesting 3D printing products, please feel free to leave a comment at the bottom of the video. Let's look forward to the next video. Bye!